Why don't we find out why you think you need to start a business in the first place? I could literally do this all day. Hey Royals, it's your favorite girl and I'm back again with another business ideas video. So already you know the drill, you know what to do. We are one big family here and this is part 2 of our business ideas for dummies video. If you haven't checked out the part 1, what are you waiting for? Here, click the link in my description to check it out. It's a very nice video and it's very insightful, and this is the part 2 of this video as promised. We're still going to come for the part 3, okay? But here I'm going to be dishing out the part 2, and in this part 2 I'm going to be giving you all specifically the business ideas only. But when we get to the part 3, we'll be expecting an extra package aside from just the business ideas, so you wouldn't want to miss any of them. And if this is something you are interested in, please make sure to click the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and drop a comment down below. Drop a comment suggesting business ideas that you think I should add in my part 3 video that is coming up next, or some of these ideas that I'm going to drop right now that is going to shock you or that shocked you. So today we are starting off with a rather peculiar one. I promise you never expected it. This is handmade jewelry businesses. I know this babe on TikTok. From lip gloss, now she's doing handmade jewelries. You guys do not know the amount of profit you can make from this kind of businesses. Like, it is so easy. Just source for your materials and be creative with the things that you create with the jewelries, and then you are off to the market. You start selling, okay? Also, a little note I'd like to put out there is, if you see me looking down, that is because I have my notes with me, and that is what you should do as well. You cannot just be watching this video and dumping it in your brain. You should be writing every tip and every idea that I'm bringing up. You should be writing it somewhere so that you do not forget. The next idea on this list is sweet gift sets. I'm not going to talk too much. Use your imagination. Sweet gift sets. Next up, we have body lashes. Yeah, lashes is a very nice business. If you can venture into that, you can definitely get it delivered to you, or you like order in bulk. I know there are list of vendors, like lots of vendors. You can just do your research. But if you want my vendors list, I will be more than happy. All these business ideas that I'm dropping, I genuinely have a vendors list for them. So if you are interested, please go down to the comment section and comment vendors list, and I'm going to send you a link where you can download the vendors list for free, guys. Yeah, for free. So you can definitely buy your own lashes and then go make your custom stickers or labels, and you stick on it and then you ship it off to the market. Like, babes wear lashes, body lashes, okay? You know those long lashes that are so, and there's one I saw recently. It's like multicolored. They're always like extra colors on the wing of the lashes. I so much love those lashes. You can try out lashes business. And another business idea is logo designing. If you are into graphics design, you know how to work your CorelDRAW, you know how to work your Adobe Illustrator, or you know how to work your Adobe Photoshop, of course you can go into logo designing. Like, a lot of businesses, I imagine these people that are going to take this advice that I'm going to be bringing now, they are going to need people who are going to design their logos for them, and you have to be that person. If you know how to work your CorelDRAW, you know how to work your Adobe Illustrator or your Adobe Photoshop, I think Canva included. So if you just know your onion, I believe you should be able to render that service to them. So logo designing is another brilliant business idea. Up next, we have sticker designs. I cannot possibly include this to the logo design idea because designing a logo for a business is one thing. While designing a sticker, you know, all those cute stickers, most businesses like to own it, and most stickers is just for personal use. Some people like to stick like on their phone cases or on their fridge or for anything. People love stickers for so many weird reasons that I can't even phantom. But yeah, you can go into sticker designs, basically stickers, or you can create labels for product owners. If you really know how to work your design softwares, then this should totally be a breeze for you. Next up, we have cute stationery shop. There are some pages I know on IG that where you can get cute jotters or sticky pads or even cute set of pen or pencils, like in different colors. People love those things, especially now that the whole aesthetic vibe is rushing into the world and everybody is trying to tap in, trying to maintain aesthetics. So definitely it's a nice business to look into. Okay, it is very affordable to do, and there's no way you are not going to get customers, because the end goal of every business is to sell out. Nobody wants to start a business and sit with their product. So in this video, I'm giving you guys realistic ideas that you can venture into, and you'll be able to make some side income from it as well. Another business idea is designing prints. Now, when we come to designing prints, I'm talking of some of those artworks that you see like on the road, maybe just different artworks that people can buy off your store. Like if you go into an art gallery, you know, all those kind of exhibitions and masterpieces that they hang around the whole gallery. That is exactly the kind of thing that I'm talking about. Now, you don't have to be a professional painter or professional artist for you to be able to run this. You can simply go on Google or any other image downloader, get an image, or now that AI is trending like everywhere, you can definitely create your own prompt and get a unique image whereby you can print, frame it up and place it up for sale. So that is a very affordable and realistic business idea that you can do if you are really on a low budget. Next up, we have reselling thrift clothes. Okay, come closer. Let's talk about this. People are reselling thrift clothes.
What?
You can definitely resell thrift clothes. I am not going to say too much on this again. Please do your research. There are people selling wares. There are people even reselling thrift items, thrift home decors. Bruh, I can't really be going into details about everything. Most of these ideas already should sound familiar to you all, and once I mention it, you should just click. Thrifting is a good business. Next up, we have candle business. Yes, candles and wax melt. A lot of people are getting into all these scented candles vibes, like having candle for every part and every corner of the house. I am not bluffing when I say that. So people are really getting into this whole candle aromatherapy thingy. So you can consider it, if it is something that you are also passionate about. Just take a few classes. I actually believe for candle business, the classes you are going to take online, it will actually get you somewhere. It's not like it's gonna perfect it like for people that have been doing it like for years and stuff like that. But yeah, just take any class. Like there are lots of tutorials on YouTube here, so you can definitely search for how to make candles or scented candles tutorials, and you are good to go. Be able to source your materials and up to the market. Up next, we have making acrylic nail sets. Like the girlies know. If you're somebody that always likes your nail done and you know how much it's gonna cost. I mean, if you are to go to a salon and request for an acrylic set ASAP on your nails, it sure does cost a lot of money, but you can venture into making acrylic nail sets. I'm talking for the nail tech, so yeah. It's something that you can definitely add up to what you are doing already. Try making acrylic nail sets and then sell it out for people. Press-on nails are legit easy to work with, honestly. I'm also a press-on nail babe because I can't imagine having nails on for like every day for a week. It is just not my vibe. So if you meet someone like me, you already have a crazy ass returning customer, because acrylic nail sets, they are like the best. They are the go-to. Up next, you can definitely consider anime badges. If you're an anime lover, Abracadabra. You know the image of your favorite anime characters. Just take them on Printify and make anime badges with them. You are definitely going to see your fellow anime lovers who would be more than willing to purchase an anime badge from you. Anime badge is like comes in like stickers or stuff that people will stick around their, just to remind them of their favorite thing. So it's definitely a good business because it is one of those businesses or one of those purchases that would remind people of their favorite. Now this other business idea is one of my favorite from this list. The business I'm talking about is Resin Craft. Ooh, gosh, I so much love customized things. Like, I so much love customized things, and I think from last year I've been seeing a lot of things like made with resins. They're like the resin cups, resin plates, resin jewelry holder, resin keychains, everything customized. Like, if anything is going to be customized, just call me. Resin Craft is an amazing business. There are definitely lots of things you can make with resins. There are also book covers and stuff like that. So this is a business you should definitely look into. And up till now, this field is currently not too saturated. So there's definitely room for you to grow once you decide to take on Resin Craft business. Next up, we have Handmade Soaps. I've been seeing this video of cute soap. People would combine. There are some, I think there was one I saw the other time. It was looking much like a cupcake without being told. You would definitely eat it off the screen thinking that it's a cupcake, but it was a handmade soap. I don't really know the difference between these handmade soaps and some other soaps, and if you agree with me, please drop it in the comment section. But there are definitely people venturing into this business, and to see so much people doing it, I want to believe that there is a little bit of profit in the business. Okay, so you can definitely look up handmade soap business. Now the last but not the least is crystal business. Now most people believe that some certain type of crystals would actually help them elevate their mood or their aura or their steez. So this actually makes this part of the list of business ideas that I can recommend to you guys, because all in all, we are looking for something that definitely is going to fetch us some amount of income, and crystal business is one of the business ideas that I have for you all today. As always, if you got to this part of this video, I'd like to say thank you very much for sticking with me today. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and drop a comment down below as to which of these business ideas actually stood out to you, and the ones that you could suggest I add in the part 3 video that is upcoming next, right after this video. Also do well to check out the part 1 of these videos, because you are going to get mind-blowing ideas as promised. Thank you all for watching. See you on my next one. Bye, Royals.